In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Brave. First, let's start by opening the Brave browser. On your desktop or laptop, find the Brave icon and double-click it. As the browser loads, you'll notice its sleek interface designed for privacy and speed. This browser is particularly popular among users who value their online security. Opening Brave prepares the environment for the next steps. You'll see the home page, and from here, we will move on to accessing the Phantom website. Now navigate to the Phantom website. In the address bar at the top, type in phantom.app and press enter. This action takes you directly to the official Phantom site where you can find all the resources you need. The website should look professional and inviting, with clear sections detailing the wallet's features. Visiting the official site is crucial to ensure you're downloading the authentic extension which keeps your funds safe. Next, we will download and install the Phantom extension. Look for the download button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it and you will be redirected to the extension store for your browser. Once there, click on the Add to Brave button. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to proceed. This step installs Phantom directly into your Brave browser, making it ready for use. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the extension has been added successfully. Once the installation is complete, open the Phantom extension. You can find the Phantom icon in the upper right corner of the Brave browser. Click on it and the extension will open, presenting you with options for wallet management. This is an essential step as it brings up the interface you will use to manage your crypto assets. Now select either Create New Wallet or Import Existing Wallet. If you're starting fresh, choose Create New Wallet. If you already have a wallet, select Import Existing Wallet and follow the prompts to input your details. This feature is important because it allows you to either start a new or access your existing funds, providing flexibility based on your needs. Next, follow the setup instructions provided on the screen. The interface will guide you through each step, ensuring you understand what to do. Pay close attention to the prompts as they will help you configure your wallet correctly. This setup process is vital to ensure you have a smooth experience managing your crypto. After that, create a password for your wallet. This password should be strong and unique to enhance security. Enter it in the required fields and make sure to remember it. A strong password protects your funds and prevents unauthorized access. Once you've set your password, you can move on to the next crucial step. Now save your secret recovery phrase securely. The wallet will generate a phrase consisting of 12 to 24 words. Write it down or store it in a secure location. This phrase is your lifeline for recovering your wallet if you forget your password or lose access. It is vital to keep this phrase confidential and safe, as anyone with access to it can control your wallet. With that done, finish the wallet setup. Follow any remaining prompts to ensure that your wallet is fully operational. Once the setup is complete, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your wallet is ready for use. This ensures that your Phantom wallet is functioning properly and is linked to your Brave browser. Next, click the extensions icon in Brave. The icon looks like a puzzle piece located in the upper right corner. A drop-down menu will appear showing all your installed extensions. Look for the Phantom icon and click on it to access your wallet quickly. This step is important as it allows you easy access to your wallet without navigating through multiple menus. Now pin Phantom for quick access. In the drop-down menu, you will see a pin icon next to the Phantom extension. Click on it to pin the extension to your toolbar. This way, you can access your wallet with just one click. Pinning the extension makes it convenient to connect your wallet whenever you need to interact with decentralized applications. At this point, open a supported website or decentralized application known as a dApp. You can choose any site that supports Phantom Wallet, like a DeFi platform or NFT marketplace. This step is essential as it connects your wallet to the dApp you wish to use. Next, click on Connect Wallet on the dApp's interface. This button initiates the process of linking your Phantom wallet to the site. A prompt will appear asking you to select your wallet. Select Phantom from the options presented. This action directs the dApp to recognize your Phantom wallet for the connection. This step is crucial for enabling seamless transactions and interactions with the dApp. Finally, approve the connection in Phantom. A window will pop up in your Phantom extension asking for your approval. Review the details and click Approve. This confirms that you want to connect your wallet with the dApp. Your Phantom wallet is now connected to Brave. You can now enjoy the benefits of using your wallet with various decentralized applications. This connection enhances your browsing experience, allowing you to manage your crypto assets directly in the Brave environment.